For all those dorks out there like me that don't know how to remove a Tmax wheel but I have an R1 and an FZR, which I work on all the time myself, but I thought I'd show everybody how to remove a Tmax wheel. Here you see the wheel is already taken off. All I did was remove the brake caliper, which were these two bolts right here, and they unbolt as such. Right, the caliper comes off. These are your two bolts. Protect that paint a little bit, and onward. What I've done is basically loosened the pinch bolt right here, as you can see on the far side of the drive unit, and then I cracked the large bolt with a 19-inch wrench here on this side. After keeping the pinch bolt tight, I keep that pinch bolt tight in order to break this bolt off of here, which is the 19-inch bolt that you see here when you pull off the cover, which fits right over here like so. And those two screws in the cover just come right off. Obviously one just fell. And then you take your 19-inch bolt, loosen it here, and then after loosening it, you loosen your pinch bolt on the other side, and then take your trusty mallet, rubber mallet, and gently tap it out. Tap out the axle on the nut with the nut on it, and you'll see it slide out this side. Here's your axle right here. Not a big deal. Make sure you take your caliper off first though, so you can take your wheel cleanly off.